We join Alex and Professor P on their adventure to find the lost treasure of the Pharaoh Mabufu.
Are we there yet? I don't see anything but sand.
Almost there, Alex. This treasure map says we need to find an isosceles triangle.
What triangle?
Isosceles triangle. It's a triangle that has two sides of equal length.
Like those palm trees over there?
Excellent, Alex. You have a keen eye.
So, is the treasure here?
Not quite. We now need to turn 90 degrees to the left.
90 degrees? It's already hot.
Not that kind of degrees. In this case, degrees are the unit of measurement for angles. Luckily, I have my protractor.
You carry that with you even in the desert?
Of course I do. I never leave home without it. A protractor is a tool used for measuring degrees. We started walking east from town. We're now at the palm trees. Using the protractor, we measure 90 degrees. And according to this, we need to head north. Let's go.
Are we there yet? I don't see anything but sand.
The last thing on this map is an equilateral triangle.
What's that?
Equilateral triangle. A triangle with all three sides of equal length.
Hey, I see a pyramid. From here, it looks like an equilateral triangle.
Indeed it does, Alex. The treasure is probably inside.
Let's take a break first. I'm tired from all this walking.
Alright. At least the trip back to town won't be as long.
Oh, why is that?
I can explain using the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. We traveled east for 3 miles, and then we turned 90 degrees to head north. For the Pythagorean theorem to work, we need a right angle, another term for 90 degrees. The quickest way back to town would be a straight line. We now have a right triangle. Substitute a and b with the values of 3 and 4. The distance from the pyramid to town will be c. So we have to solve for c. In step 2, 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared simplifies to 9 plus 16 equals c squared. Or 25 equals c squared. To find the value of c, we must find the square root of both sides. The square root of 25 is 5, so we get c equals 5. See? We only have to walk 5 miles to get back to town.
I'm exhausted. Both my body and mind need a break. Let's rest for the night.
After finally arriving at their final destination, the two adventurers decide to set up camp. Join us next time when Alex and Professor P explore the tomb of Pharaoh Mabufu.